Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, today's tea I bring you is Sigaxa. So guys, it is alleged that Kelly Kumalo is currently dating Arthur Mafokate because of the pictures that have been circulating on social media, pictures of them together, posted by Kelly Kumalo. Those pictures sparked rumors, guys. This is the picture that was firstly posted by Ukeli Kumalo with the title uthi isazozalwa letsotsi ezosihlukanisa, basically saying ukuthi no one can come between us, and kesana people started having questions. They started questioning the pictures. You know how social media is, Mos. Every little thing that you do, you will trend. And then she posted this after that and titled it How It Started versus How It's Going. This is a picture from a long time ago. As you guys can see, Atama Fogate looks very not very young, but kind of, so sana people started having these questions, but also some people are saying, no man, this is a music video. These people are just shooting a music video. They are promoting their music and stuff. And I also think it's a music video, guys. I also think it's a music video. Like Kelly Kumalo and Arthur have been doing music together forever. But do let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this?